A day after jurors spared a convicted killer's life, jurors from another high-profile case are weighing in. The jurors in the Jodi Arias case were unable to decide on the death penalty or life in prison. ABC 15's Mary Ellen Resendez joins us now from the newsroom on what some jurors had to say about Marissa Devault. And Mary Ellen, do they feel jurors here made the right decision?
You know, Steve, right and wrong is a very gray area when it comes to deciding whether to sentence someone to death. And jurors from the Jodi Arias trial know that firsthand. So they passed no judgment on the Devault jurors, but rather understanding of what they faced.
She was more believable. Fully respect what that jury has done.
Diane Schwartz, Mary Lou Ellen Coogan, and Carol Gosling all know firsthand the heavy decision jurors in Marissa Devault's death penalty case faced. It was a decision they too wrangled with 12 months ago when Jodi Arias was convicted of first-degree murder.
It's horrible. The day that we were given the case for deliberation of the death penalty, I came home that night and I sat out on the patio and I stayed up all night long.
While these three jurors didn't follow every step of the trial, they saw similarities between Devault and Arias.
There were similarities where they did it and tried to claim self-defense and didn't show any remorse.
Devault's jurors chose not to talk about their decision, not surprising to these three jurors who say even when the case is over, the wrangling is not.
They will be second-guessing what happened. They'll be going back over what they can remember about the trial itself, about who said what, did they make the right decision.
It's tough even for these jurors to pinpoint what mitigating factors kept the Devault jurors from handing over a death sentence. Some agree Devault's children may have played a factor.
She is a mother, and that they would look at the fact that she has children and whether or not she would be in the life for them.
Now, I also spoke with these three jurors on the botched execution in Oklahoma. Coming up at 6 o'clock, they're going to weigh in on how this could affect future jury panels in future death penalty cases. Steve?
Yeah, I can only imagine all of the things that go into a decision like this. Thanks so much, Mary Ellen.